Hindi naman yan! Ito naman, ito si Fritzy sabi nga, NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. Ay nako, nakita ko si Ryan, sabi niya, really? Anong masasabi mo doon, Ryan? What can you say that she has no boyfriend?
I can say that Brett is sobrang lucky guy.
Brett?
Opo.
Ay nako ikaw hinahabilin mo na rin si Fritzy ngayon Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan, but for the both of you, how do you both feel? Ngayon na wala na kayo sa bahay ni Kuya?
Like, sobrang tagal po namin doon, like 11 weeks. And now, nakalabas na kami. So, sobrang saya po. Nakita namin yung mga tao. Sobrang saya po yung feeling na nakabalik kami sa outside world.
Ikaw naman, Ryan?
Oh, I feel like, oh my God, like amazing, fantastic, unbelievable.
Eto na nga, nakita namin yung dance moves. When nagulat ka ba sa sarili mo? Were you surprised first time you saw yourself on TV now?
Oh my God, yes.
Okay, my question for you. What was the hardest thing? Ano ang pinakamahirap na bagay na pinagdaanan niyo sa bahay ni Kuya? The hardest thing that you had to go through in the Pinoy Big Brother house?
Honestly, when I'm having a hard time in the CR, like I have to concentrate,
In the CR?
In the CR.
Dapat siya sa CR.
But Brett, Ivan, and James, they keep opening the door.
Oh!
So I cannot concentrate. So that's most of my hardest things.
Tatlong buwan mong tiniis
They keep opening the door. I have to concentrate, but they keep. I'm so shy.
Don't worry, ngayon na nandito, may privacy
But
ka na sa
I love
CR.
my housemate.
Sana hindi ka dumugin ng fan sa banyo mo. What about you, Fritzy?
There was this one time na may task kami, na-kidnap ako and si Jenny. So, sobrang lungkot po yun. And then, may mga violations din kaming lahat po. May na po. So, yun
Napanood nga namin yun.
Opo.
Nagsisisi ka ba na nakidnap ka?
We didn't blame kahit isa.
Mic mo. Masanay ka na dahil nasa showbiz ka na.
Wala kaming ni-blame if may isa. Yun po.
So wala, no regret. Ito naman, Fritzy. Ryan, you said about Brett. We wanna ask you, Fritzy, kami naman ang magtatanong dahil crush
Sige.
ka now ni na Patrick, Ivan, Carson, at Brett. Nakukulang na lang si Ryan. Pero may ibang mundo na yan.
It's okay.
What can you say? Sino ang number one sa puso mo?
Kaming lahat po, sobrang close po namin doon sa bahay. Parang family na po kami, sobrang
Teka, kami naririnig ko.
So,
Sino gusto nyo? Si Brett daw. Family. Anong sasabihin mo?
Parang family na kami lahat, so wala po.
Wala daw.
Getting to know each other and friends muna lang.
Pero ito sabi ng audience natin, Brett daw. Sabi naman sa Twitter ko, naku Fritzy, makinig ka.
Sige po.
Sabi ni Margie Dorsehad at ni Lawrence Garabiles, ano daw ang reaction ni Fritzy dahil sila ni Ivan ang pinakamaraming supporters? 78,000 na halos ang members sa Facebook. May official kayong Van Zinatic site. Oo. Parang Ivan Fritzy. Oo. Tapos sabi nung isa, si Elle Vitton, they are the life of my daughter who's suffering from cancer. Kayo daw ni Ivan, pag nakikita niya ng daughter niya, talagang nabubuhay daw siya. So what can you say na may ganon? Meron kang love team na with Ivan and then meron din mga supporters for Brett.
Sa loob po ng bahay, wala po kaming alam. Then paglabas po namin, na-shock po kami sa mga supporters and love teams po. Kaya yun po, na-shock po. Sana patuloy kayo sa pagsuporta sa amin.
Yes. Oo, maraming sumusuporta sa'yo. At sa'yo rin, Ryan. You have a lot of fans.
Oh, really?
Do you know that? Are you here? You hear the buzz, audience? Everyone loves you.
Oh my God, thank you.
Ryan, what can you say? Some people are saying, oh, the big winner should have been Ryan.
Talaga?
What can you say to them?
Oh, James is Ryan Bang. Ryan Bang is James. We are like one. We are like almost family.
Oh, in fairness, generous.
Like we have same heart. Also, we have same faith. I'm so sorry.
And he's also Korean, yes. Pero ano nga, sabi mo there was a time in Big Brother, di ba sinabi ni Ryan yun na kung papipiliin ka, if you were to choose to be big winner, you said, no, I'm okay in the middle. You said that.
Yes.
I'm okay in the middle. I don't want to be big winner. I want in the middle. And it happened.
Oh, yes.
How do you feel? Are you happy? Are you surprised?
Yes, I feel like, oh my God, unbelievable, amazing.
Amazing.
Yes.
Why not?
Yes.
Okay, at bilang minamahal ka ng mga taga-suporta mo ng Filipinos,
Yes.
do you want to give them a little chuba choo-choo?
Pero I think I'm shy. Chupa, chupa, chupa.